Hi, honey. You're sniffing a lot of goodies, honey? It's very windy today. That's why you sniffy stuff. Look at that nose going. I'm gonna zoom in on honey's nose. Look at that nose. Oh, honey's nosy going, yes. She got her nose going with all that wind. That nasty cold wind. She likes it. Gives her a lot of sniffs, like reading the newspaper. That's what she's doing this morning. She's reading the newspaper, honey, huh? Yes, she is reading the newspaper. My honey. Honey, but honey, what are you looking at, hun? Is she so cute? She'll always be mommy's little mommy honey girl. Little mommy honey. Yep, just like Lucky Looney was, mama's girl. Yep, we miss her too. What do you see, hun?